Well, hey guys, out here pedaling a lake today. It's just amazing out. Doing some wind testing on my camera today. I have a little foamy thing this time, so good place to test for wind. So here's what it looks like. So now let me change over to this fuzzy and see if that doesn't make any difference. Alrighty, here's the Afro muff. We'll see how this one goes in the wind. So I get to see which one's better, and so do you. Here we go. Whew, my legs are burning. Getting a good workout today. It's hitting about 67. Just wow. That's just awesome. Well, I'm about halfway done. I bit off a big piece today. This is like being in a desert with no restrooms. I gotta push another half mile. Hopefully the gas station is there that it's telling me to go to. Trails are really being busy. Woo! Made it to the gas station. Just barely. Wow. I did find me a sandwich too. So I gotta find me a nice quiet place to eat it. Oh. All the way across town. Now I gotta go all the way back. After having a potty emergency, luckily there was a Hy-Vee gas station I found. Made it out to the end of the trail in my city. It's 10 miles out, so now I gotta go all the way back, not including the lake I just went around. But man, it's 67 degrees today. Can you believe that? I'm enjoying it because the weekend's gonna be cold and I like to ride when it's warm. So, won't be hearing from me for another week, that's for sure. But who knows?